Get a check of this weather because it's gloomy. We've got the rain and the wind, and I know that you're also keeping track of Elsa, Betty.
We are. It's over Cuba right now, over the western part of Cuba. And as it has been interacting with land, it has weakened. Winds are now down to 50 miles per hour. If you were watching maybe a few hours ago, the winds were at 60 miles per hour. Elsa moving toward the northwest at 14 miles per hour. And that center of circulation as of 5 p.m., 45 miles southeast of Havana, Cuba. Here is that forecast cone. Not a lot of changes going on here. Still expect it to pass overnight into early tomorrow west of the lower Keys. So we'll get into what some of the impacts are likely to be for the Keys. For us, though, right here in Dade and Broward, we've already felt the impacts of a rain band moving through, those winds gusting 40, 50 miles per hour with a couple of the thunderstorms embedded within this band. The band, though, the worst part of it has lifted up into Broward County. Notice these thunderstorms pushing into parts of Broward, not Broward, Palm Beach County, and heading on over toward Lake Okeechobee. So this band moving toward the north-northwest. Dade and Broward, though, we still do have a few residual showers around Miami, up into parts of Fort Lauderdale as well. But I think the worst of this is pretty much over. So this is our quiet time now. I'm keeping an eye on the Keys. I do see a few showers over the straits. I'll be watching to see if these offer up any gusts of wind as they're coming on through. Outside of that, the core of this system, as I mentioned, is over Cuba, and even stronger rain bands a little bit closer to the core of it. Meantime, we're looking at a tropical storm warning ongoing for the middle and lower part of the Keys. So this is where we would expect the winds to be the strongest once Elsa starts to make that closest approach to the lower Keys. This forecast model is showing by the midnight hour, right around Key West, we're showing winds 45 to 50 miles per hour. These are forecast gusts around Marathon, some 40 to 45 miles per hour. And notice Miami, 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts, a lot tamer up in our direction. And then notice by 7 a.m. Tuesday for Key West, it's showing winds gusting 55 to 60 miles per hour. And then even on 10 a.m. Tuesday, 65 to 70. So I just want to give you some idea as the kinds of winds the lower and middle Keys could be dealing with as we head toward tomorrow morning. And we don't necessarily want to take this system lightly. If you have items outside that you need to secure, you should go ahead and get that done. Here's the wind forecast by tomorrow afternoon. We will have those winds starting to ramp down by 3, 4 o'clock as Elsa starts to pull farther away. It'll be over those eastern Gulf of Mexico waters, getting farther away from our area. In the 7-day planner, you will notice that chance for rainfall at 70% on Tuesday. And yes, in parts of Dade and Broward, we could still deal with the gusty rain band, and the winds could gust to about 40 miles per hour. But obviously, we would expect the worst of the weather to be around the lower Keys and up toward the middle Keys as well. So overnight into tomorrow morning, we got you covered. Andrew?